Okay? No, you're not taking pictures, are you? Video. Are you on? First, we have the prone cobra. Lie flat on the ground on your stomach and extend your back upwards, keeping your core tight. You should feel it in stretching your back. Keep your arms to the side. Then if you want to just do a regular cobra, put your hands to your sides by your shoulders, underneath your shoulders, and stretch up. You should feel a little stretch in your back. Keep your core tight. Plank hold. Getting on your elbows, or you can get on your hands. And keep your back straight, core tight, bottom down, and hold it. Bird dog. So you do opposite leg with opposite hand and just extend them out one at a time. Keep your core tight, your back straight. These are assisted pull-ups. Now, at a gym, regular gym, you'd normally have like the pull-up machine where you can put your knees on the pad and put weight on it so it can help you go up. I can't do strict pull-ups yet by myself, so my gym bud helped me out there. Back flies. Get your dumbbells and just extend your arms backwards, keeping them straight. And you should feel a pinch between your shoulder blades. Just focus on the muscles that you're trying to work to. That helps. Bent over row. You can do this with dumbbells or with a straight bar. You just pull up, extend your arms all the way down, pull up towards your rib cage, and squeeze your shoulder blades. And then lat pull downs. Select your weight and just pull straight down to your chest. Make sure you feel the pinch between your shoulder blades. Focus on what muscles you're working out. I hope that helps.